Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the e.l.f. contour palettes. I have the cream contour as well as the powder contour palette, and I would be discussing in detail if you should go for them, if you should invest in them or not. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging of the palettes looks like, and these are removable 4 pans which come inside this palette. And also the palettes come with a mirror, which is amazing. Like here you get the mirror, so it's very convenient to use. So the packaging is 10 on 10, I would say. It's very usable, easy, and plastic packaging, so no issue of breakage unless you drop it very badly. But really love the packaging. Now I'll show you from inside how the cream contour palette looks like. So these are the 4 shades that you get in here. Okay, so this is a palette which I've been using from like last 2 years, both the palettes, and I've not hit pan on this palette because I have not used this palette much. So these are the shades that you get for the cream contour. I think this would suit medium to fair skin tones, right? So this is this. I don't understand this shade, why they have given such a light shade in this palette, right? And I'll show you the contour palette now from the powder contour. So this is how the powder contour looks like. Again, a very versatile color range which can be used from medium to deeper to fair skin tones. So the powder contour palette which I have, it is in the shade deep, but there is no name mentioned behind the packaging of this cream contour. So it has some number, and these are the 2 palettes that you can see with me. And I've used mostly this palette, the powder contour palette, because this is very easy to use. It blends very easily. I'll just give you some swatches also. So it has like all the dark and the light shades, so it's quite pigmented and it's very easy to contour with this palette. I would highly recommend the powder contour palette from e.l.f. But talking about this palette, I find this is very thick. I don't understand this color, why it is here. And secondly, I don't like the finishing, the formula of the cream contours. I would not recommend this palette at all. But if you're looking for affordable contour palette, I would highly recommend this powder contour from e.l.f. but not the cream one. So yes, this was all I wanted to share in today's video. I really hope this comparison of the e.l.f. powder contour and the cream contour helped you, and you can now make a decision if you want to go for the powder one or the cream one. Thank you so much for watching. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.